Good evening, thank you for joining us. I am Jyoti Sharma. Let's start with the latest agribusiness news. Godrej Agrovet profit for the last quarter of 2019-2020 stood at Rs 69.20 crore. Total income of the company dipped to Rs 1,472.39 crore compared to Rs 1,643.62 crore in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal. Godrej Agrovet Managing Director B.S. Yadav said it was an excellent year for the company as we increased profitability in most of our segments. Animal feed segment result grew by 24.1% year-over-year, despite a 12.6% and 16.8% decline in volumes and sales. Consolidated segment revenues and segment results in crop protection grew by 4% and 7.6% respectively, supported by Astec LifeSciences' robust performances. Bioceres Crop Solution Corp, a fully integrated global provider of crop productivity solution designed to enable the transition of agriculture towards carbon neutrality, has entered into a definitive agreement with Havana SA, a food production and retail company with a chain of over 300 stores across the Americas and Europe to offer its customer HB4 wheat-based sustainable products. Bayer announced that Delaro Complete has been registered for the use in eastern Canada on corn, soybean and cereals. The new foliar fungicide delivers effective and consistent control of major corn, soybean and cereals diseases. Delaro Complete has 3 modes of action, groups 3, 11, 7 that work in tandem for added protection. Greaves Cotton expects its non-automotive engine business to witness continued growth on the back of demand from sectors such as infrastructure, defense, construction, farm and machinery among others. The company's non-automotive engine business grew 54% to 13,673 units in the March quarter of the previous fiscal, as compared to 8,756 units in the Q4 FY20. Greaves Cotton CEO and MD Nagesh Pasbanhalli said that we believe the non-automotive engine business will continue to grow as there will be a lot of movement towards productivity and replacing, whether for the use in segments such as infra construction and machinery. Cropin co-founder and COO Kunal Prasad will do a discussion on the topic Investing for Impact Food Innovation in Asia at KPMG and the Global Impact Investing Network Joint Virtual Forum. Discussion in the forum is around the latest trend in the impact investing for APAC, connection between climate risk and the recent trends in food tech and how investors can align their financial returns with impact. National Horticulture Board clears record 1,278 pending subsidy applications during the last 1 year. The subsidy has been released to 357 beneficiaries while 921 new projects have been approved. Under the leadership of Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and President of the Board, Shri Naren Singh Tomar, the team NHB has worked in a campaign mode of complete this commendable task. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.